Nolan of Black Diamond, quick tip, tile countertop cleaning. You see I got it wrapped with painter's tape and drape, basically from top down. The reason why I did this is partly because of the stainless steel appliances. You don't want to get anything on them if you can help it, because I'm going to be doing the floors too, so I wrapped this from bottom up. And these ones are top down, as you can see the blue taped strip there. And then I kind of tucked them into some of the cupboards a little bit to hold them in place above the ground, since I'll be doing the floors as well. So I'm going to leave them there, so if there's any potential overspray, I don't have to worry about it. But the reason why I taped them is because of the cleaner on top here and these bowl noses that round off here. So if anything drips down, it's not going to get on these wood cabinets and cupboards. It's going to get on the floor if it drips. So it's just a safeguarding type thing. Protect the person's house from accidents, because you never know if these counters are level. And if they aren't, and you go to set up and finish your starting up for your cleaning, you may come back in and find some stuff on the floor, which, case in point. So now it's not on the wood, but it's only on the floor because I have it all the way wrapped underneath it. So now it's just dripping on the floor. So this is why it's good to safeguard people's stuff. And I haven't started on this one yet, but I just finished putting this wrap on. So see, this makes it all the way to the floor, from all the way up to there. So I normally would get the smaller one, but for this I bought a bigger one, which is basically twice the size, to see if this would help for an average countertop for just doing one strip down all the way, which it was perfect for this case. So just want to do a quick video safeguarding people's stuff, why it's important, and how much more professional you will look if you do so. See, now this one I did with just the regular one, you can see it's about halfway down the cabinet that it made it. A little bit further than that. So this taller one is actually perfect for countertop jobs. So I highly suggest using this before you pre-treat your tile with your cleaner. That way, if there's any runoff, you don't have to worry about it. Thought this was a cool little tip. Nolan of Black Diamond Services, you thought this was useful. You are a cleaner, you want to up your game. If you're not doing this, if you're getting ready to get into tile cleaning, I suggest is this one of the things just that you do as part of your startup before you start cleaning. Keep people's stuff safe. Show them that you care, and they'll turn into a repeat client for you, and you'll end up doing this job again down the road. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment. If there's anything else that you do outside of safeguarding their stuff with tape and drape, I'd love to hear what you do. If you are somebody that is just watching this video that's not a carpet cleaner or tile cleaner, and you like seeing these types of things, if you got questions on anything, you got suggestions even, I would love to hear them. Thank you for watching.